Good morning everyone. Welcome back again to my channel, Philippine Scout Country Living. So this video guys is nagpahimo dai ko og bench dere sa front yard. That concrete below there, that's where we buried little our dog. So I let Phil build. Then our helper Joy, he started it, and wow. So we started, that's one day job, building the frame and putting cross pieces, and of course cutting the bamboo. So we did not buy any more bamboo in the market because we have our bamboo, and this bamboo is so durable guys, but some crooked, but you will just bagay-bagay lang siya ay mo taod. So thick bamboo, very thick. This is our bamboo. This is good for when you make a post or you make a boat like that. So ito na po siya guys. So na siya backrest dira, then this side is no more backrest, so we can see at least the background, the plants. So this side is, I'm going to let Joy build shelves. That one there. So more siya ana na siya. Kung ikaw na idea mo, yan na siya. So na siya marag butangan ng mga something like food. If you wanna eat here, this is going to be nice. And this one will be finished because it's surrounded by plants, and might be during the afternoon is hot here, but you know what, you won't set here during the middle afternoon. So around 3 o'clock, this is have shade already. So I am so excited guys. I remove the plants here and build a shelf, bench. Very nice. So this is not tucked yet. Me and Phil, we put a number here, so but this one still needs to be re-cleaned first. We do that because the bamboo is sharp. It's like a glass, so you can cut yourself here. So that is why I put numbers, so I'll be the one to clean this one shiny, something like that, and the other one too is set already. So this is the technique if you're going to this is my idea, but this is the technique if you want to build a nice floor set or chair like that. But for the master to put the floor like this, you don't need to put a number, but for us, we just to make it sure nga tuloy-tuloy ang pag attack sa bamboo stick. So yan lang po guys, I'll be back later. here guys.